Oh, Selena, were you crying when Obama deported people? Or were you crying when you heard about Laken Riley or the others that were killed due to illegal immigrants? Where was your energy then, babe?
The people have questions, and more questions for Selena Gomez.
So Selena Gomez made a video crying about the fact that people are getting deported. You know, doing the whole little Hollywood thing, you know, crying, pretending to care about social issues and people at the bottom. And oh, man, did it backfire because she failed to read the room. And in this case, she failed to read the country, man, because she had no idea that everybody was on board with the fact of kicking these people out of the country. And, man, her comments were flooded immediately, bro, with people pushing back. And she deleted the video. Now everybody's on the internet making fun of her. Hollywood is that, man. Nobody cares about the opinions of people from Hollywood, man. Just listen, man. Y'all rich already, man. Just make your little music, make your little movies, man, and just stay out of normal people business, bro, because we don't care about y'all no more.
Selena Gomez's ability to make herself the victim of every situation ever is truly admirable. It's a skill that only she has mastered, and honestly, she should just write a book about it.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't know my Instagram. My life. I am so sorry. My life is it going? Is it going?
Sorry.
I'm so sorry. I don't know why this happened. It's weird. It's the moment of consciousness that is weird for me. That you're thinking about your family. It tells me you're not really sad, because when you cry and you're actually super upset about something, the last thing you're thinking about is social media. But she's her own producer. She's her own videographer, and she's crying. So I think it's weird, and I think it's funny, and I think it's okay for us to objectively embrace the fact that Selena Gomez crying on Instagram is funny.
And you know Candace Owens. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I just wanted to say that I'm so sorry. All my people are getting attacked. The children. They don't understand. I'm so sorry. I wish I could do something, but I can't. I don't know what to do. I'll try everything, I promise.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let us talk about Selena Gomez. She is trending, very well, much so trending. But looks like people are not sympathizing with her. I don't know if that's correct English, but like people are literally kind of like not buying into it. Like, okay, Selena Gomez, you're crying. And we know you're an actress, so. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Natskunda Esther. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. 12,000 of you guys, thank you so much for loving me and supporting me and subscribing to my YouTube channel. I appreciate y'all. Now, you know one thing that I always appreciate? People's opinions. I want to hear your takes on Selena Gomez crying over these deportations. Is it worth it? Is it a stunt? Does she mean it or not?
Selena Gomez, let me explain something to you oh so quickly. And I told myself I was going to calm down and chill out and be a cool voice of reason on this app, but you people make it really hard. Your people, you're not from Mexico, number one. You were born in Texas, one of the greatest states here in the United States of America. You are afforded rights and privileges that these immigrants do not have. And need I remind you, they are illegal. They broke the law. And most of the criminals, violent criminals who are being taken out of this state, they're not even from Mexico. Now, granted, don't get me wrong, some of them are, and yes, Mexico is receiving deportees back. Because again, they broke the law. But to go online crying, put a Mexican flag and say, "My people, I'm so sorry." That's a little dramatic if you ask me, right? Do celebrities literally, like, you guys don't need the clout, okay? You are very well off. You have made millions and millions of dollars. Do you just go online and look up trending topics and go, let me sympathize with what's going crazy right now? Where was your outrage for the 400,000 missing children on the border? Where was your outrage for the women and children getting completely taken advantage of and raped on the border? Where was your outrage for Aurora, Colorado? Where is your outrage for North Carolina and LA when billions and billions of dollars of our taxpayer money is going to illegal immigrants who are not even citizens of this country? Get a grip, and I'm glad you took that video down because you knew what was coming for you. And any ounce of research would have told you that was wrong and it wasn't going to look good.
Selena is being canceled right now for crying for Latinos who voted for Trump.
So Selena Gomez posted a video crying about deportations of illegal immigrants. But where is her video about Laken Riley, who was killed by an illegal immigrant? She fought for 18 minutes in last moments of her life. What about Jocelyn Orogwe? What about a black officer that was killed by an illegal immigrant? An officer was trying to actually help him. The guy comes out and shoots the officer. What about thousands of people losing their houses in Hurricane Helene and LA fire, and 30 people died in LA fire, and I think about 200 something died in Hurricane Helene? Not a single video from Selena Gomez crying over that. She cares more about illegal immigrants going back to their homeland than thousands of Americans losing their houses and hundreds dying in hurricanes.
The people are not happy with you, Selena. The people, black, white, everyone, they are not happy with Selena Gomez. At this point, I feel like Selena Gomez crying for these 2 seconds has reunited the Republicans and the Democrats. Because the Republicans are like, hello, you're crying because we're deporting illegal immigrants, people that committed da-da-da-da-da-da-da. And Democrats are like, ma'am, where were your tears? She wasn't crying about Laken Riley. She wasn't crying about Ruby Garcia. She wasn't crying for Rachel Marin. Not even, and I'm sorry, to Kayla Hamilton. And completely, she was silent for Amelia Carter. So people are saying, girl, goodbye. Because if all these people needed sympathy and to be cried for, and your voice was quiet, now they are deporting illegal immigrants, you're crying? What do you mean? And oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, oh my God. The man in charge of the deportation were like, so the illegal immigrants are your people. He went deep down the hole and brought up Selena's history. Yeah, don't play with the government. The government knows you. He literally spilled the tea that Selena Gomez comes from a history, a 3-generation history of illegal immigrants, just because birthright citizenship, she got it, now she's a billionaire. And clearly if she wanted to help, isn't she a billionaire? She should literally just help out, right? To give them a good life. Why is she just crying instead of actually helping? The internet is petty, yeah.
In a now deleted post on Instagram, Selena Gomez made a story where she was crying about the people being deported from America, and the U.S. government has now responded to it.
Just wanted to say that I'm so sorry. Only people are getting attacked.
In Selena Gomez's video, she begins to start crying and saying that she's sorry and feels like all of her people are being attacked. She goes on to say how she wishes that there was something she could do and that she will try and be there for anybody that needs it, but she is very upset about everyone that is being deported from America. That's when the U.S. government responded with Tom Homan going on Fox News, who is Trump's border czar, and saying that they do not apologize and that the U.S. government is going to keep going. In the interview, he also mentions how he has not deported any families. He has only specifically targeted criminals that are here in America illegally, and that he is wondering why Selena Gomez is saying that those are her people. After only about 1 hour of being up on her Instagram story, Selena Gomez has now deleted this post entirely and has not said anything else about the situation.
I don't know what to do. I wish I wasn't a billionaire. Selena Gomez can now add becoming a billionaire to her long list of achievements. The 32-year-old actress, singer, investor, and entrepreneur just achieved the financial milestone, thus making her one of the youngest self-made billionaires in the United States, according to Bloomberg, which values her net worth $1.3 billion. But my people, they're getting attacked, and the children, shut up. I already made a perfect video on you crying that you deleted 30 minutes later because you were giving such backlash, because the people that you're defending are the ones that are hurting our children. Every single arrest that's come out of this country in the last week has led to some children being found. Nobody's going into schools and ransacking them and pulling children away from their families. Get a grip. You can spread as much propaganda as you want, but we don't trust the media anymore.
This does not look good for Selena. Oh my God. Champs for Latino. You have outdone yourselves because I mean, oh no. Honestly, I cannot say that I know everything that happens in America and oh my god, I understand everything 100%. What I'm gonna say is sometimes people's opinions are very valid. I mean, if a situation like this happens and you see literally Republicans saying something that Democrats are agreeing with, you go like, because Democrats are like, yes, we understand you. You know, the people that didn't vote for Trump, they're like, yes, we understand you. We understand you. Probably you didn't vote for Trump as well. And right now we have Latinos that voted for Trump and they are literally facing their karma. But baby girl, where was your voice when other people, most especially times where black people could have needed your voice and you shut up? Now that it's happening to your people, you are crying out, but not even your people because everyone is agreeing they are illegal immigrants. Are those your people or is it because they're just Mexicans? Are you trying to say that the US government cannot deport people that commit crimes? It's crazy, but ladies and gentlemen, y'all let me know what you think in the comment section. Because for me to you, the drama is dramaing. All right?